high school students join forces with an urban farmer to tackle food insecurity in their local community. Together, they learn to grow their own food. And it starts with building a good foundation. They get hands-on training from a successful farmer. It takes hard work and serious commitment. But through teamwork and proper guidance, it becomes easier.
We learn new farming techniques every week. We learn the value of patience, teamwork, and perseverance.
We encountered failures, struggles, and loss. But with lots of love, our garden gave fruition to bless others who are less fortunate.
Working on the farm is never a dull moment. It's a fun, welcoming place for everyone to learn. By planting just one seed, we are able to grow many plants and make meaningful impacts in the lives of others.
We actually donate all of what we grow.
And it's fresh food, so it's healthy.
It is very hard work, but it's very fulfilling.
I especially liked how I learned how to grow tomato plants so I can help my mom back at home.
Like, I now know a lot about soilless farming and classic soil farming.
We all garden from our different experiences and people that we've all learned from, but when you're learning from a successful farmer, you have to just take a second and listen and actually make sure you're doing it correctly. That way you do nothing but succeed.
While water farming is faster, soil farming often yields more results.
The sun is brutal. In this program, I learned entrepreneurship skills and business skills. We went to a market and I learned customer service skills.
Something I really enjoyed about this program was actually just working in general. I thought going in it'd be hot, sweaty work and I wasn't gonna have any fun, but it turns out not only were the people here fun, they were funny, they made me laugh and made me smile throughout the thing, but even the boring stuff like weeding, I got the chance to think and just be in nature. And we saw some cool little things frogs and cool bugs I've never seen before. And overall, I just thought it was fun.
That's why it's essential to learn to grow your own food. Especially now we're dealing with inflation, close to those same levels that we're seeing before the Great Depression. So that it may reach a time that we aren't able to shop at markets or something like that. And so we'll have to have these skills in order to sustain ourselves.
Even in the most inconvenient weather, you will find us working.
Look at all the fresh food the youth harvested during the rain.
And the rain stopped.
And they did this all in the rain.
Absolutely.
With just 6 months of hard work, the interns have been able to donate approximately 150 pounds of food to the Norcross Cooperative Ministry. For more info, visit our website www.gardensforgrowingcommunity.com.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you guys all for the next cohort. Remember that every little donation can make a great difference.